Namaste everyone, I'm Samarthya from Bodsphere. So today's video is all about the hips and the legs. So we'll be flowing our body from one pose to another and you don't need any props at all. So let's get started everyone. So just to begin with our session, we will come on all fours. So the palms are right below the shoulders, knees right below the pelvic region. In this position itself, let's gently go back and forth. So we will be requiring our wrist also during the entire flow. So let's quickly warm up, especially the wrist. Very gentle movement of the body. And you may gently reverse your palms. And in this position itself, let's go forward. Let's apply a little pressure on the wrist. Now you have to make sure that your head has gone beyond your wrist and your arms are a little inclined, which will apply pressure on the wrist. And let's gently go back and relax the hips on the heels. Let's make sure that our elbows are straight, everyone. And let's gently come back to the center, keeping our elbows straight. And you may reverse your palms now. And let's once again go beyond the wrist, keeping our elbows completely straight. The elbows are facing out. The inner part of the elbows, in fact, it is facing out, whereas the elbows are facing towards the body. So the shoulders are externally rotated in this position. And you may gently go back and relax the hips on the heels. There's a possibility that the lower part of the palms will get lifted up. It is completely okay because right now we are working on the wrist. So all good. And you may gently lift your body up to come back to the previous position, to the original position. And let's start moving our arms and the shoulders without moving our palms. It's all about the hips and the legs today, majorly about the hips. And in the tabletop position itself, you may gently lift your right leg up. Your thigh is close to the waist. It's in line with the waist, in fact. And let's start moving our right leg in and out. For only a few seconds, let's keep moving our leg. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and stay over here. Let's open up our right leg only for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten up the right leg on the floor and you may gently rest your left hip on the left heel. And you may touch your forehead on the floor or you may also rest your chin on the floor, whatever is convenient for you. Right now, you will feel the stretch on the right hamstring. To feel a better stretch, you can point the toes outwards. And you may gently take your body towards the right side, diagonally on the floor. And taking the support of your palms, you may lift your body up and let's come back on all fours. And in this position itself, let's start moving our left leg now. Let's open up our hip, the left hip, for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We are going to hold. 1 and hold. Let's stay over here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's open up our left leg on the left side. You may adjust your body. If there's a wall on the left side, you can adjust your body. And you may gently take your body back. So your right hip is rested on the right heel and the left leg is opened up. And you may gently take your body diagonally on the floor. And taking the support of your palms, you may lift your body up to come back to the tabletop position once again. And gently take your legs back to come in the palm plank or the high plank. Let's stay over here for only 10 seconds. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently take your right foot outside the right palm and you may relax your back knee on the floor. And in this position itself, you may push the right leg away from you, and in this position itself, you can grab your left ankle from behind. The idea is not to touch the left heel against the left hip, but simply feel the stretch in your quadricep, and at the same time you are opening up your right hip joint. Let's stay over here for a while with a gentle smile on your face for 10, 9, 8, 7. You have to keep your right leg inclined towards the right side. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You may release the left leg, and in this position itself, let's start with in and out with the right leg. Keep pushing the right leg away from you for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently rest your right palm on the floor and you may tuck in your back foot on the floor and the right leg will go back in the mountain. Gently keep pushing the spine in. Try to rest the heels on the floor if possible. Keep pushing the tailbone towards the ceiling. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left foot comes outside the left palm and you may rest your back knee on the floor. And in this position itself, place your left palm on the left thigh and gently push your left leg away from you and you may grab the right ankle using the left palm. Let's keep our left foot inclined. Let's open up our left hip joint as we work on our right quadricep. Continue inhaling and exhaling in the pose for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You may gently relax your right leg on the floor and in and out begins with the left leg. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left palm comes back on the floor, tucking your back toes on the floor, and the left leg will go back in the mountain. And let's stay here in the mountain for a while. Let's catch our breath for a while. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gently come back to the tabletop position. Keeping our spine neutral. Let's keep our toes relaxed. And as you inhale, push your spine towards the floor as you look up. Let your heart open up, let your chest open up. And as you exhale, push your spine towards the ceiling. And you may keep your gaze towards the pelvic region or the thighs. And let's start with up and down movement of the spine. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's come back to our neutral spine. And in this position itself, once again, lift your right leg up, but this time, let's start making circles with the right leg. To open up our hips a bit more. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may gently switch to the left leg and let's begin with the circles. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may gently go back and relax in the child's pose. Simply rest your forehead on a yoga block if you want, or on a cushion, or maybe on the floor itself. So just make sure that your hips are rested on the heels and let your upper body simply get compressed. And from here itself, you may gently open up your legs now. So you have to make a V shape with your legs and your hips are well rested on the heels. It's just that you are stretching out your arms and letting your groin region, your pelvic region open up. Simply relax in the pose. then taking the support of your palms, you may lift your body up, close the gap between the legs, and you may relax. That was the flow that we all can do whenever we are having any stiffness in our legs or in our hips. So please feel free to do this particular flow anytime during the day. Maybe when you are waking up early in the morning and you want to just stretch your lower body a bit. So this is the flow that we all can do. If you have been sitting for too long at your workplace, so when you return back from home, even then you can do it. So just make sure that your lower body is being worked upon. Apart from that, you have to work upon the upper body also, but it's always good to stretch the joints and basically isolate the joints altogether through different flows. So this video was all about the lower body, and I really hope that you all enjoyed it. You can drop your comments in the comment section below if you have enjoyed it, and if you have any queries, you can ask us and we'll be super happy to revert back as soon as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next video, everyone. Have an incredible day, keep smiling and keep practicing yoga, everyone. Namaste.